Here I have a procedure. If I do a navigator, the cutter move like that. Okay. So now I'm going to load the machine simulator. And let's navigate. As you can see, the B axis, okay, the original procedure, the B axis is using the plus angle, and this will cause the back of the spindle to hit the part. Look, the back of the spindle is hitting the part. Okay, so how to solve this? To solve this is easy. So let me just copy this procedure and set B negative. Just edit the procedure, and what you need is go to the machine parameters, and over here Rotary prefer positions, and just change to negative and set this one as B axis, and then just recalculate and then do a simulations. And now let's simulate. As you can see now, the spindle is rotate, and it used the B negative angle to start machining the part. Okay, so with this approach, the back of the spindle will not hit the part.